Hello, so in this video tutorial I will show you how to read a user input from a text box, store it in a string, and then when you click on the button display the text here. So again, this is very easy and I'll show you how to do it. First we need to create a new project in Windows Forms, called whatever you want. I will just call it store text and create the new project. So now you have the new form. You can change the color if you want. Here when it says back color, you can change it to whatever you want. Let's make it blue. And now we need the toolbox. So in order to make it nice, we can add a label and a button, and we need the button here and the text box for the user input and a label again. So let's look for the label. Here it is. Okay, so we don't need this anymore. So in this label we can write insert some text. Here the user will have the possibility to write something. You can put it here. The button somehow centered. The button we can write save or display, maybe display text. And here on this label we will display the text. So your text will be here. So now let's look at the code. So basically what we want to do is that we want the input from here to be stored in a string, and when we click on this button we want it to be displayed here. So the event listener that we need is the button. So when we click on the button we want the text to be stored and to be shown here. So we need the button. So now we need to create a string, and we can call it user input text. And after this is stored in the string user input text, we can show it. So label2 dot text equals. So now it's done. It's really easy. It's basically 2 lines of code. So when we run the program, you will see how it works. Okay, so here it's our small program. So insert text. I don't know. I am Alex. This is my text. So display text, and now here the text is changed to I am Alex. So if we write something else, hello world, display text, hello world. So this is how you read text from a text box and store it and then show it again. This is a very small and basic application, but you can do a lot with this when you learn how it works. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Please subscribe and let me know